Sa puntong ito, kausapin po natin ang isa sa mga nakaligtas na pasahero ng bus na nahulog po sa bangin sa Mountain Province. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Charlie Santa Maria.
Good evening po.
Charlie, kamusta ka ngayon? Nasaktan ka ba, Charlie?
Some minor bruises lang and lacerations lang po ako. Ako yung I was the one who was able to escape with the least injuries po.
Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Pero maaari mo bang ikwento, paano ka nga nakaligtas, Charlie?
By some miracle, probably. But I'm also thinking kasi we were in the middle part of the bus na nasa back. 3 seats away from the back. Tapos, yun, we were in the middle part. So, nung tiningnan nga namin yung wreck ng bus, that was the least damaged na upuan that area.
Oo,
So, feeling ko that helped naman po.
Napakaswerte. Ano natatandaan mo, Charlie, no? Na bago mangyari muna yung insidente, yung aksidente, anong natatandaan mo?
There was nothing eventful naman po. We came from a stopover ng Mount Poly. Then we crossed the boundary of Mountain Province and Ifugao.
Oo.
Tapos yung highway pababa na po yun eh.
Oo.
So okay lang. So ayun, enjoying the view, ganyan. Tapos narinig ko, parang we noticed parang trouble with the clutch. Parang the driver was having trouble doing an engine brake. I'm guessing to aamoy mo na yung parang nabuburn na yung clutch, ganun. Yung clutch lining. So parang okay, so what's wrong with the bus? And then may sumigaw, tumalon daw yung conductor.
Ha?
So that's when people started to panic. We left the conductor daw, he fell or something. And then we realized na it sunk in na wala nang brakes yung bus. And since downhill na po siya, he just kept going faster and faster. And then, syempre, ang sharp po ng mga curves doon. So it was getting really scary na. Tapos siguro hindi na nakayanan ng driver na i-maneuver. Before we knew it, lumilipad na po kami. We fell out of the road and then flew out of the road and then yun po, I think the bus must have fallen front first, head first. Because I felt it fall to its left side eh. So parang tapos gumulong-gulong na lang po siya, then it landed in the rice paddy.
So Charlie, habang nangyayari ang kinuwento mo sa amin, what was happening inside the bus? Kamusta yung mga pasahero na kasama mo doon, Charlie?
People were actually, when we were still on the road, na after tumalon yung conductor, medyo nagpapanik ng konti yung mga ladies na parang they're starting to scream na ganyan. Tapos someone was saying, don't panic, ganyan. Tapos kami ng boyfriend ko, katabi ko kasi siya, we were just praying and bracing na lang for the worst. Parang bracing ourselves. I mean, in case of anything. And so, that's what happened. And then when it flew off the cliff na, wala na akong it was just metal flying everywhere, metal grinding sounds and crashing. And then before I knew it, ayun, bumangon ako, nasa loob pa ako ng bus. And then parang napkap ko naman yung sarili ko if I had anything. Wala naman akong pain except na yung parang nabugbog na, ganyan. Inanap ko yung mga kasama ko. So ayun, and then we got in immediately. My boyfriend had his phone with him, thankfully, so we were able to call our supposed tour guide, si Kuya Charlie sa Kalinga. We got to call him, and then he contacted the ambulances to come and get us. And then, pero the first one in the scene po was the farmers, the locals who were there. They tried to help us. May dalawa po kaming kasamang bata eh. So I checked on them because I saw they were there far from the wreck. So nilayo ko na lang sila.
That was nice
dumating na nga yung farmers. Sila yung inunang dinala sa hospital po.
Charlie, may seatbelts ba?
Pardon?
Meron kayong seatbelts? Napansin mo ba?
There was no seatbelts po. No seatbelts.
Lahat wala. Lahat walang seatbelt.
Not that I noticed, to be honest. I didn't really notice if there were seatbelts or not, but wala namang parang regulation na they told us to wear them or pero I'm 80% sure I did not see any
Oo.
seatbelts po.
Charlie, kinumpirma na ng pulisya na isa sa mga namatay yung komedyanteng si Tado Jimenez. Kilala mo ba yon? Nakita mo ba siya doon?
Yes po, he was part of our group eh.
I'm
He
sorry
was
to
part
hear
of our
that.
group. He was sitting behind us.
Oo. Sabi mo, what group are you talking about? Ano itong
Just
grupo
a
na
group of
tinutukoy
friends
mo?
po.
I'm
Sorry,
sorry?
we were a group of friends, a group of artists, photographers,
Pasaan-sana kayo,
musicians.
Charlie?
ano pa?
Pasaan? Ano sana ang pakay ninyo sa pagbiyahe ninyo?
Yun na nga po, we wanted to, kasi one of our, the kid, it was his birthday, the son of our friend. So, parang, we wanted to bring the child to the community in Kalinga so we can celebrate it with them. Together with the locals of the community.
Oo.
Yung ganon. So, we were on our way up to Uskalan, Kalinga, sana.
Oo. Ilang kayo sa grupo, Charlie?
In total, 15 yata kami, counting the kids.
Madami. And all of you escaped the accident?
No, we lost nga 3 friends po.
Ayun si Tado?
Si Sir Tato po yung isa.
Oo.
I identified 3 of them. There was also si Gerard Baha and si David P. Campo.
And the rest, yung iba pa ninyong mga kaibigan o kasamahan, Charlie, kamusta sila ngayon?
I was checking. I'm trying to check on all of them. So far, yung status po, there are 2 on the na transfer sa isang hospital na tinetreat for their isa kasi parang nabalian eh. So he's undergoing surgery. Then the others also, yung isa medyo parang i-airlift din. They're kind of in bad shape kasi parang their spine hurts and parang I'm not sure about how many fractures they have but may mga sutures din sila sa head nila and stuff. But they're alive and conscious naman. Pagkwento naman po sila.
Charlie, nakikiramay kami doon sa 3 kaibigan ninyo na pumanaw dyan sa aksidenteng yan. At sana ay gumaling na nga sa lalong madaling panahon yung ibang nasaktan. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Charlie Santa Maria. Isa sa
Thank
mga
you.
survivors po ng aksidente sa bus na nangyari sa Mountain Province.